Yo, what's up pala? Ako nga pala si Trebs Reaction at ngayon naman ay mag-react na naman tayo ng panibagong video. Walang iba kundi ang Sonic 3. So kumbaga ay naglabas na sila ng Sonic 3 na franchise movie kasi yung Sonic 1 and Sonic 2 di pa napanood. Kaya ngayon ay papanoorin natin yung Sonic 3. So enjoy kayo, set up, tara, mag-react na tayo. Let's go!
Sonic, you finally found your family. I know it hasn't always been easy, but you didn't change who you are in here.
Yeah, in my lungs.
Or your heart.
There's been a high-level security breach. And we need Team Sonic's immediate assistance. Project Shadow is far beyond anything we've ever encountered.
Shadow's story began a lot like yours, Sonic. But where you found family and friends, Shadow found only pain, loss.
Alright, got a rogue alien on the loose. How do we find her?
Start with the giant fireball?
I love it. Let's start with a giant fireball.
It's much more impressive than the hedgehog I fought previously.
Dude, I'm standing right here.
You're a colorful bunch.
We don't want to fight you.
Actually, Sonic, I would like to fight.
Knuckles, no! My turn. Can we just talk about this? He's too powerful. I can't believe I'm saying this, but we need you-know-who.
This is a bad idea.
When has that ever stopped?
Doctor,
We're visitors.
this is sad, Robotnik, even for you.
We need your help.
On one condition.
Do this! If I can't rule the world, I might as well save it! I need room.
Sir, I don't have the proper materials.
Found some.
When we're done, there won't be anything left.
Hey, no cheat code. What did you do?
What I had to. Welcome home, my boy.
Is it?
Could it fire you? In the saggy flesh.
So yun na lang ulit guys. Wow, December pala ilalabas ang Sonic 3. So ang ganda pala ng pelikula yun. Excited na akong panoorin. At excited na kayong panoorin natin. So check nyo na yung movie na pelikula na ilalabas na rin. So ang ganda ng pelikula yun na si Sonic 3. Kasi di ko lang napanood yung Sonic 1 and Sonic 2 The Trailer. Tsaka maraming kasi akong ginagawa. Kaya ito lang muna yung Sonic 3. So yeah. So nag-enjoy kayo sa video na ito. Huwag kalimutan na mag-like, comment, subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Kung baguhan ka pa lang. At make sure na paki-like na lang sa ring button bell para updated kayo sa pinaka susunod na video. So yeah. Yun na lang. And peace. Goodbye sa inyo.